Ever wondered what to prepare for your children's lunch that's both quick and healthy? Let's talk about the importance of nourishing our kids with wholesome meals. It's not just about filling their bellies, it's about fueling their growth, boosting their brain power, and setting them up for a lifetime of good eating habits. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 easy, nutritious lunch recipes that you can whip up in just half an hour. Stay tuned to discover these simple yet delicious recipes. First up, we have a vibrant vegetable stir-fry. You'll need 2 cups each of sliced bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Add a tablespoon of olive oil, soy sauce, and garlic to taste. Sauté the veggies in oil on medium heat, add soy sauce and garlic. Cook until they're just tender but still crunchy. This stir-fry is a powerhouse of nutrients, with bell peppers for vitamin C, broccoli for fiber, and carrots for vitamin A. And there you have it, a quick and nutritious vegetable stir-fry. Next, let's dive into some delicious chicken wraps. We'll need shredded chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, whole wheat tortillas, and your favorite dressing. Start by spreading your dressing on the tortilla, then layer on your lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and chicken. Roll it up tightly, and you've got yourself a quick, nutritious lunch. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, while the veggies provide essential vitamins and fiber. Whole wheat tortillas add a hearty dose of grains. Voila, a tasty and healthy chicken wrap in no time. Ready for a light yet filling quinoa salad? Gather 1 cup of cooked quinoa, a handful of cherry tomatoes, half a cucumber, and a quarter of a red onion. Don't forget your favorite dressing. Mix all these ingredients together and voila. This salad is not only delicious but also packed with proteins and fiber from the quinoa, vitamins from the veggies, and healthy fats from the dressing. It's a full meal in itself. Enjoy this refreshing and nutritious quinoa salad. Moving on to our next recipe, baked fish fillets. First, you'll need 4 fresh fish fillets, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, and a dash of salt and pepper. To bake, place your fillets on a baking sheet, drizzle with lemon juice, sprinkle minced garlic, parsley, salt, and pepper. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Fish is a great source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious baked fish fillet. Now, let's make a classic, pasta primavera. For this, we'll need half a pound of spaghetti, 2 cups of assorted fresh vegetables, 2 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of olive oil, and a sprinkle of parmesan. Cook your pasta, sauté your veggies in olive oil with minced garlic until tender, then toss it all together. This recipe is packed with vitamins and fiber from the vegetables and healthy fats from the olive oil. Enjoy this colorful and healthy pasta primavera. Next up, a simple and nutritious tuna salad sandwich. You'll need 1 can of tuna, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a dash of salt and pepper, and 2 slices of whole grain bread. Mix the tuna, mayo, salt, and pepper together, then spread it onto your bread. Tuna is an excellent source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making this sandwich a healthful choice. It's quick, it's easy, and it's packed with flavor. Indulge in this wholesome tuna salad sandwich. Ready for a refreshing fruit smoothie? All you need are half a cup of strawberries, 1 ripe banana, and a cup of fresh orange juice. Blend these together until smooth. You've got a powerhouse of vitamin C and B6, potassium and fiber with this delightful mix. Strawberries boost your immunity, bananas aid digestion, and orange juice gives you a burst of energy. It's a perfect blend of taste and health. So why wait? Whiz up this smoothie and enjoy this delicious and nutritious fruit smoothie. Moving on to our next recipe, a delightful veggie pizza. You'll need a pizza base, a cup of tomato sauce, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella, and a colorful variety of your favorite veggies. Spread the sauce on the base, sprinkle the cheese, and arrange your vegetables. Bake until the cheese is bubbly and golden. This pizza is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients from the vegetables. Enjoy the melange of flavors while nourishing your body. And there you have it, a scrumptious and healthy veggie pizza. And that wraps up our quick and healthy lunch recipes for children. We embarked on a culinary journey, preparing 10 fantastic recipes, each one packed with nutrition and taste. We started with the vibrant vegetable stir-fry, a medley of colorful veggies that offers a wealth of vitamins and fiber. Then came the chicken wraps, a protein powerhouse that's as tasty as it is filling. The quinoa salad was next, bringing a blend of protein, fiber, and a variety of essential nutrients. The baked fish fillets followed, providing a dose of lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain development. Our pasta primavera, rich in carbs and veggies, ensures a balanced meal. The tuna salad sandwich offered another protein-rich option, with the added benefits of heart-healthy omega-3. The fruit smoothie, a rainbow of nutrients, hydrates, and offers a natural sweetness kids love. And finally, our veggie pizza, a fun and creative way to sneak in those essential veggies. Each of these recipes was crafted with children's nutritional needs in mind. They are designed to offer a balanced mix of proteins, carbs, and vitamins, ensuring your little ones get the nourishment they need to grow, learn, and play. And the best part? You can whip up any of these meals in just half an hour. Remember, a healthy diet is key to your child's growth and well-being. Happy cooking!